It looks like somebody's tired. Are you sleepy, Sissy?
I'm not sleepy.
You got messy hair today. You're not sleepy? You took a really long nap today, huh? You know what we're doing? We're making a video to send to Grandma and Grandpa so we can say hi to them and they can see what you're doing these days. What kind of dinner are you having? What are you having? Apparently we're having goofy food. What did I give you for dinner? Can you tell me? Okay, we'll get Sissy talking. Sissy, you want to say all your words? Can you say hi? Can you say mama?
Mama.
Can you say dada?
Dada.
Can you say doggy?
Dada.
Can you say Josiah?
Dada.
Can you say go Diego go? Can you say lollipop?
Baba.
Can you say bye-bye?
Baba.
Can you say night-night? Can you say Owen? Can you say Donovan? Yeah, you're trying. Can you say grandma? Can you say grandpa? Can you say kitty cat? Can you say meow? Can you say woof woof? Yeah. How big is Juliana? So big. Where's your eyes? No eyes? Show me eyes. I was going to take a picture of you, but you wouldn't talk, so I'm taking a picture of Sissy now. Do you want to talk?
Yeah.
What do you want to say?
Blast off.
Blast off?
Yeah.
Do you know all the planets?
Yeah.
What are the moons of Mars?
Phobos and Deimos.
That's right. What's the largest moon for Jupiter?
Ganymede.
That's right. What are the rings of Saturn made out of?
Dirt and rock.
Dirt and rocks. That's right. Is the sun a planet?
Yeah.
No. What is the sun?
There's gas.
That's right. It's made of gas, but what is it? Is it a star or is it a planet?
It's a star.
It's a star?
Yeah.
What's your favorite planet?
Earth.
Earth?
Yeah.
What planet do we live on?
Earth.
What planet do you want to go to? You want to go to the moon?
Yeah.
Do you want to name all the planets? What's the first planet?
Mercury.
What's the second planet?
Venus.
What's the third planet? What's the third planet? You silly. We'll come back to you. So Sissy, we were doing body parts. Hey, goofy girl. Where's your ears? That's right. Where's your hair? Hair. Where's your eyes? No, that's your mouth. Where's your eyes? Eyes. Eyes. That's right. Eyes. Could you nose? Nose. Mouth. Okay, what's the third planet?
Mouth.
No. We live on the third planet. What's the third planet? What's after Earth? The fourth planet. Yes, ma'am. Oh, really? Now we're just getting silly. Okay. Can you say bye-bye? Say love you.
Bye-bye.
Can you say I love you, Grandma and Grandpa?
Bye-bye, Papa and Papa.
See you later.
See you later.
Love you.